Alright, let's go see what we got. Let's go see what we got, my friends. We got a little bit registered. Not enough. Not even close. God damn. I might need a couple more gallons. We're gonna see.